St. Joseph's College for Women, Autonomous, Vishakhapatnam. Welcome to St. Joseph's open web-based learning platform, So E-Learn, for a soulful and enriching e-learning experience. The nature of economics. Economics is a multifaceted discipline, sparking debate over its true nature. Is it a science, an arts, or a social science? This presentation explores these perspectives, examining economics through different lenses to understand its complexities and applications. We will look into the arguments supporting each viewpoint, considering the methodologies, principles, and real-world applications that define economics. Economics as a science. Economics possesses the characteristics of a science, utilizing cause and effect analysis, measurable outcomes, and established methodologies to forecast market conditions. However, critics argue that its reliance on human behavior makes it less precise than physical science. Positive and normative economics. Positive economics. It focuses on cause and effect relationships without our value judgments, stating what is based on fact. Normative economics. It involves value judgments, prescribing what ought to be and addressing welfare propositions. Economics encompasses both positive and normative aspects. Positive economics remains neutral, while normative economics incorporates value judgments to guide policy decisions and address societal welfare. Economics as an art. Applying knowledge. Creative application. Economics applies creative skills and imagination to implement scientific laws and theories in practical activities. Goal achievement. Economic laws are used to achieve various goals, with policies designed to solve economic problems. Practical application. Economics practices theoretical laws, informing policies based on societal and countrywide knowledge. Economic functions as an art by applying theoretical knowledge to achieve specific objectives. It requires imagination and practical application to solve economic problems and guide policy decisions at various levels. Economics as a social science. Economics is a social science because it studies human behavior and relationship within society. It focuses on how goods are exchanged to satisfy people's needs and wants, both within and among different societies. Economic models and theories. Economists develop models and theories to simplify and represent the real world. These models aid in understanding, explaining, and predicting economic phenomena, often tested through the examinations of past events. Assumptions in economic models. Economic models rely on simplification and assumptions, such as all other things being equal. The effectiveness of these models is judged by their predictive power rather than the realism of their underlying assumptions. Science and arts in economics. Economics integrates science in its methodology and arts in its application, while also functioning as a social science by studying human behavior. This combination makes it a versatile and comprehensive discipline. Economics is a multifaceted discipline encompassing science, arts, and social science. It employs scientific methodologies, artistic application, and the study of human behavior to provide a comprehensive understanding of economic phenomena. Key takeaways and next steps. Economics is a dynamic field that benefits from multiple perspectives. By integrating scientific rigor, artistic application, and social awareness, we can achieve a more comprehensive understanding of economic principles and their impact on society. Thank you.